Hey, what's up guys, it's Gamer Odst here, and today we're going to be doing some hype stuff on the Hypixel lobby, yeah. Okay, so, I think I'm going to be joining some, why did I join this? Okay, no, /leave. No, I don't want to be in that one. Okay, so, let's see what we should be in. Oh, cattle drive. Yes. Come here. Okay, I'm gonna do a /friend or this. /friend list. See if my friend's online. Okay, no one is online. Yes, and if you want to join my friend group, simply subscribe, and every month I will pick a subscriber to be added, and yeah. And then like everyone, yeah, it's gonna be fun. Okay, and yeah, it's about to start. Okay. We are going for the Blaze kit because I'm not with friends, and yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Okay, I got Blaze kit now. /FW. GL. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I am going. I am a VIP, but like, I don't have much kills because I haven't been playing on the server for much, or at least Biltz survival games. But I will be doing a ton of Biltz survival games, as you can see. Like, I think you watched. For all the people who watched my first video, yes, I'll be doing lots of the Biltz survival games. Anyone who comes to this door will die. I swear, they will die. Okay, nothing in this. Let's go out here. Check this chest up here. Yes, as you can see, guys, or hopefully you can see, this is my favorite map because, yeah, it's awesome. Okay, let's see. We can try to pull a ninja on this guy. There's like there's a death party here. So I'm just going to loot all the stuff here. So I'm going to just loot all this stuff. Okay, GG. I lost this. GG. That was a big game, though. That was a pretty big game. That was like a kill hole right there. But GG. Okay. Let's go spectate the guy who killed me. Okay. No, I'm not Undertaker. Blitz shooter, I think. Oh yeah, I know this class. I don't. Hi, Blitz shooter. Wait, I forgot what class that is. Let me go check. Hold up, guys. Let me check. Okay. So. Okay. Oh yeah, I believe that's a night kit. Because he is not VIP or anything, so I think that's a night kit. Because I've seen it before. Okay. So let's just follow this guy. I think this is the guy who killed me. I'm not sure. Oh, man, he's getting them kills. Nice split shooter. I'm going to try to /friend request. Blah.
Get those things.
Oh, guys, if you guys didn't notice, that's my little sister. Say hi to YouTube, show me all.
Hi, YouTube.
Okay, /friend request. What's that guy called? Let's see, Blitz shooter. Okay, Blitz. And if you guys don't notice, she is going to be in most of my videos because she just likes to watch me play. Yep. Okay. Okay, /friend help, /friend list, /friend add player. Oh, okay. Alright, okay. /friend add Blitz. Oh no, it's Blitz shooter. Hopefully he sent friend request. Okay, that's good. Now we will exit out of this game because I don't have any more reasons to play that game anymore. So yeah, we're gonna Hopefully he accepts the friend request. But if he doesn't, GG. Cattle drive! Give me the cattle drive. Team anyone? Let's see if anyone wants to team with us. Oh, Opta Lucas. Okay. Kevin. Team. Let's see what he says. Hopefully he does team. I don't know. Kevin, okay. Follow me. Kevin. KK? I'm gonna ask him if he can follow me. Okay, I don't think I'm anywhere near the house. I think some people are just seeing me as like a pretty noobish guy because don't have much kills, but no, dude, I am good at PvP, and I mean it. Okay, I guess this guy's not teaming with me, so I guess I'll just kill him. Where are you guys running? Where are you running? Oh, you're running there. Okay then. No, Cactus! No, don't fail me now. Cactus, don't fail me now. Okay. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go. Let it go. Blah, 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 and shut the door. Now that's a bad freaking decision. Because you're gonna die, I think. Hopefully. Okay, you're dead. But goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye, GG. And good freaking bye. Okay. Send in our blazes. And let's go. You're dead, Sonny. Sonny Jim, you're dead. Sonny Jim, you are so dead. Oh god, something's. Hey, you don't mess with my friends. You do not mess with my friends. No, poop. Snowflake. You killed me. Sorry, though. I hit you first. Sorry, though. I hit you first. Yeah, I guess so. I hit her first. GG. Good luck, Snowflake. Good luck, Snowflake. On
those things.
Death match. To think that. I guess she saw my blazes, and then yeah, I guess so. Hopefully we can do another game. Hopefully, just hopefully. Oh yeah, she had a stone sword. I forgot. Only if I looked at her name tag, that would be like. Then that would be
the water. You know.
Okay, so we're gonna go for another cattle drive, and I think that will be it. Hopefully we win this one. Yeah. Okay, team anyone. Team anyone? Hopefully someone requests our thing.
Yeah.
I don't know, cause there's gonna be like lots of VIPs and stuff in here. Okay, so yeah. So now we're gonna okay, so we're gonna go for the house again, hopefully. If if that's
10.
possible. Okay, so I'm gonna do fireworks just for the lows. Okay, so we're gonna go for that chest over there. I know there's a chest over there, so I'm just gonna go for it because screw mid sucks. Yeah. Anyways, okay, where's that chest? Where is that freaking chest? Here it is. I found it. Hopefully nobody comes for me, and hopefully I get a weapon from it, which I did. Okay, so that's good.
Okay, good.
Oh god, MVPs are getting killed by regular people. These are some freaking overpowered people. Like, I don't even know how. They kill freaking MVPs. Freaking MVPs. That is crazy. Okay. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Yep. They got lots of stuff from them. Okay, so I'm gonna put that on. Hopefully we win this one for YouTube. That was not whatever. Okay, I'm gonna get my blazes soon. That's good. That's Gucci. Okay, I'm gonna release my blazes, hopefully. 2. Boom, boom. Okay. Hopefully blazes do not kill me like you did last time. Okay, this chest has no good loots whatsoever. Where have you guys wandered off to? Oh, there's a guy over there. Blazes? Blazes. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go. I'm gonna let it go by killing this dude. And here I am, and here I will stand. Let it go. Come on, Blazes, kill him. Awesome. I killed him. Okay, yeah, I know. Okay, so this is gonna be my final round, cause big ball pants. Okay, I think I will win this one, cause with the gear I have so far, I will probably win. And I don't know how I just instantly killed that guy, but
yeah,
I did. So GG.
Blazes.
Yep, with the blazes. With the blazes. Okay, there's that thing there. 3. Okay. Eat some.
Get more
Do I see a guy? Good job, blazes, by the way. Good job. Okay. Oh. There's a dude. Get over here, little boy. Get over here. Yo, nice. Eat. Bone him. Eat my nuggets. Die, boy.
Die.
No, I died.
No.
Okay, anyways, guys, that will be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please slap that like button. Wait, no. Don't slap that like button. Beat that like button. And anyways, guys, thank you guys all for watching. If you guys did, please subscribe and like the video. And thank you guys. I said that 3 times already. Okay. Yeah, so bye-bye.
Oh, yeah. Bye-bye.